In today's video, I will teach you how to make a retro glowing text effect using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the canvas with the size and resolution of your choice. Now, type in the word that you would like to edit. Once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead and add a layer style on the text by clicking on its icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Now select Drop Shadow. Here, change the color of the shadow to white to add some highlight. And you can also adjust the settings to your liking. Now, add another Drop Shadow by clicking on the plus icon. Here, change the color to a darker one to add more depth to the glow. You can also adjust the settings to your liking. Once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead and click OK. Now, create a new fill or adjustment layer by clicking on its icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then select Gradient Map. Here, you can choose among the presets or create your own. Just remember that the right side is often the highlights, and the left side of the gradient is often the shadows. You also have the option to enable Dether and to reverse the gradient. Just play around with the colors, change the opacity, and drag on the gradient slider to change the positions of the colors. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.